Hello, I'm back today with another story for you. It is Ant City by Roscoe Harvey, and it's a part of your packet like we have been working out of with our other reading lessons. So before we get started, go ahead and find this story in your packet. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to in order to go and find it. All right, let's begin. As we did with our story about the birds that were weaver birds that made those huge nests in the big tree, and they all lived together, a group of 400, I think, if I remember correctly. Just like that story, in this story, we're going to be listening very carefully for the main topic. And the way that we can find a main topic in a story is to listen for what the book or the story is all about and what are the important or key details. And this is our poster that we talked about last time we were talking about the main topic. What is this all about? And I was reading through this before I'm going to read it to you, and I'm noticing some similarities between the two stories that we've been using to work on main topic, and I'd like you to think about that as well as we read. I can read this to you, and then you can follow along, but I'd really encourage you when we get to the labels at the bottom of the pictures for you to try and read those words right along with me today. So let's begin. We're going to start on the title page, and then I'll let you know when I'm turning pages so that you can turn your pages right along with me. The first one is Ant City by Roscoe Harvey. Turn your page. Would you look down or up to find a city of ants? In the rainforest, look up. An ant city might be in the trees. Weaver ants build nests in trees. A nest can be as big as a soccer ball. An ant city might have 100 nests. 500,000 tiny weaver ants might live there. Read with me underneath the picture. There are 2 weaver ant nests in this tree. Can you find them? Turn the page. Weaver ants work in teams to build nests. The worker ants pull leaves together. They use their mouths and legs. The ants are strong. Read underneath the picture with me. A team of ants works together. Turn your page. If a leaf is too far away, the ants crawl over each other. Each ant grabs the middle of another ant. They hold each other up. It is an ant chain. More ants go across the chain to get to the next leaf. Then the ants pull the 2 leaves together. Read under the picture with me. The ants are making an ant chain. Whoa, that is really great teamwork. Turn your page. Now the worker ants wait. They need help. Soon other ants come. They bring worms that have hatched from ant eggs. Each ant taps and squeezes its worm. The worm makes sticky spit. The spit is like glue. It sticks the leaves together. Leaves and spit make a good nest. Read with me. An ant squeezes a worm. Turn your page. Each nest is part of a whole city of ants. The ants build an ant city in the trees. Read with me now. Weaver ants work together. Wow, that's a lot of ants. Now, if you could get an adult to help you, read the questions that are on the next few pages in your packet and choose the answers that you think are correct based on what we read. I'm going to do a second video, and we are going to compare both stories, the one about the birds and the ones about the ants, and we're going to talk about how they are similar and how they're different.